Beauty scientists Dr. Kristy Hamilton and Dr. Roy Kim. Real beauty without the hype.
What about for facial surgery? What are the most popular facial operations that you perform for men?
I still think a lot of men are hesitant to undergo a large change. A lot of my male patients get injectables, less invasive or non-invasives, and increasingly, definitely higher frequency of smaller procedures. Smaller being defined as eyelid lift. So it sounds strange, but at least in Silicon Valley, there are a lot of people who aren't that old, but they're managing 20-year-old, 25-year-old coders. And so there's actually a lot of pressure on male managers to actually look younger. And so with injectables, you can actually look younger. With better skincare, you can look younger. And with laser peel, things of that nature, you don't have surgery, you don't have as much time off, and you can still look younger and better. Eyelid lift, I think, is the biggest bang for the buck in terms of male facial aesthetics, because if you have less loose skin around your upper and lower eyelid, you will look younger. The bigger procedures, I am increasingly, slowly, not a huge increase, but definitely an increase in terms of rhinoplasty and facelifts, because rhinoplasty can occur at any age. They want to look sort of harmonious to the rest of their face. With facelift, older patients, male patients typically want to look rejuvenated, but they don't necessarily want a dramatic change. And I think in men, a lot of men really focus on the neck and jawline a little more than women when they get a male facelift.
I completely agree, and I think the motivations for surgery, like you were saying, very different. They want to feel and look. They want to look as vigorous as they feel. They don't want people at work asking them why they're tired, or they want to feel like that invigorated look and to have that translate to the workplace. And I agree with you. I think this area, the so-called turkey gobbler, very, very bothersome to a lot of men. And that's why we have a surgery specifically tailored to bearded men as well, because we can just directly remove that. And the guys, they want a very, very fast recovery. My male patients are not willing to accept like weeks of swelling. They want something where they can get it done and they're back in the gym very, very quickly, getting back to their exercise regimen. Because these are they're usually executives, pretty like high powered men. And I agree with you. I think eye lift as well, very powerful, just makes you look bright and alive, and always a very subtle, natural aesthetic.
Thank you for joining us on The Beauty Scientists. Be sure to visit thebeautyscientists.com and learn more about modern beauty and connect with Dr. Hamilton and Dr. Kim.